Let's learn about the letter B. This is a capital B. This is a lowercase b. You know how the B looks. Now let's make the letter B sound. B, 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 b is for ball. B is for baby. B is for a blue balloon. B is for book. B is for bird. B is for the bus. You know some B words. Now let's make the letter B sound. B, 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 b. Your turn. B, 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 b.